For individuals and businesses who owe the IRS back taxes, particularly those who've experienced problems with the IRS trying to resolve back tax issues on their own, there's an independent organization that exists to help taxpayers reach a fair and equitable resolution. It's called the Taxpayer Advocate Service, and it calls itself the taxpayer's voice at the IRS. Now, if you owe the IRS back taxes, whether personal or business taxes, it's important to respond to IRS inquiries and notices in a timely manner so you don't face IRS enforcement actions such as a wage garnishment, tax lien, or even a levy on your personal property, such as a bank account. If you have responded to the IRS and you don't feel you've been treated fairly, you don't have a clear understanding of your rights and options, or you aren't making progress toward a positive resolution, the Taxpayer Advocate Service is a resource you can turn to. If you do call the Taxpayer Advocate Service for help, be sure you are prepared with the following information you may be asked to provide. 1. Your employer identification number or your Social Security number, the tax year and type of tax return involved, a detailed description of your tax relief issue or problem, information about your previous attempts with the IRS to resolve the problem. Again, the Taxpayer Advocate Service is there to help taxpayers who are having problems solving IRS issues communicating with the IRS on their own, maybe facing financial problems or the immediate threat of an IRS adverse action. And maybe the IRS hasn't responded to the taxpayer by the date promised. In addition to the Taxpayer Advocate Service, if you do owe back taxes to the IRS, you may also want to consider the services of a tax attorney or enrolled agent who is credentialed by the IRS and, with your permission, can work on your behalf to negotiate directly with the IRS to help you resolve your tax debt. The first step in considering tax resolution assistance is to get a free assessment of your tax debt situation and the tax relief options available to you.